lab to find out who's the culprit.
Finally, we're in the lab, and here are the solvents that are used during the experiment. Isopropyl alcohol, hexane, vegetable oil, and acetone and water. And as you can see, the results are already written down below the Lewis structures of each solvent. So it either results in being smeared or clear. And the first thing I notice is water. Water is known for being the universal solvent and its polarity. Therefore, as we can see, the stain clears when it touches with water. So by using the like dissolve like statement, we know that polar dissolves polar and only polar compounds result the stain to become clearer in this experiment. So it's obvious that the mystery substance is polar, and we also can conclude that the other solvents which also results in being clear are also polar, while the solvents which the stain smeared are nonpolar. And now let's go to the integration room. As you can see, there are 5 culprits in the room: gasoline, hexane, acetic acid, hydrogen peroxide, and methanol oil. Also, you can observe the Lewis structures that I drew below their names. So, first of all, we need to identify if the culprits are polar molecules or nonpolar molecules. So, as we have learned in our lessons before, we know that polar molecules are non-symmetrical and nonpolar molecules are symmetrical. So let's start with gasoline. As we can see, gasoline Lewis structure is symmetrical, therefore it's a nonpolar molecule. And it goes the same for hexane because it's obvious that the Lewis structure is symmetrical. And as for acetic acid, hydrogen peroxide, and methanol oil, we can obviously see that the Lewis structure aren't symmetrical, so which means that they are all polar molecules. And back to our previous experiment in the lab, we found out that the mystery substance is polar. Therefore, we can narrow down the culprits into 3 main culprits: acetic acid, hydrogen peroxide, and methanol oil. So finally, we're in a courtroom, and we are left with 3 culprits: acetic acid, hydrogen peroxide, and methanol oil. And here is the court scenario that is taking place right now.
Acetic acid, speak now or forever hold your peace.
Hi, I'm acetic acid. I am not the culprit because I'm soluble in both polar and nonpolar. If you want to test me, put me in vegetable oil or anything nonpolar from solvent.
And the judge puts him in those nonpolar solvents, and it actually dissolves rather than smears. So, acetic acid, you aren't the culprit.
Hydrogen peroxide, speak now or forever hold your peace.
Hi, I'm hydrogen peroxide.
As you can see, I'm really explosive when you put me in acetone. I wouldn't recommend you to put me in acetone at all, or your car will explode.
Well, it's kind of true because the combination is really, really deadly and it's really explosive. So it won't just clear the stain when it dissolves in acetone rather than exploding the entire lab coat. So due to the elimination process, it's obvious that methanol oil is the culprit.
It's not again. I will come and stain your clothes again.
Bye, methanol oil. Have fun in jail for a couple days. Bye.